Welcome, today we're going to show you how to transfer Sweetcoin to Gcash. So first you need to open Sweetcoin, I'll see from here. After that you need to set up your account. So after you have set up your account and everything, you need to click on the top right corner, I'll see from here. So from here you will see all the ways that you can transfer your Sweetcoin to any other place, but unfortunately you can't transfer it until today to Gcash. There's a lot of ways to transfer the Sweetcoin coins or the Sweetcoin steps or rewards that you've got. So you can transfer it to actual rewards and then you can sell that rewards. So there's actually other methods to transfer it to Gcash, and the most common method is to get these rewards and sell it to get money and then put that money in Gcash wallet. So this is the actual method for today, but you need to stay updated with Sweetcoins news to know if they will add Gcash or not. So that's the other thing that you can do, just wait for them to add Gcash or see if they will actually add it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.